The reason most of your big goals fail is not because you lack talent, but because you think too big. Your brain is naturally wired to resist the massive pressure of a giant mountain. You must learn to shrink your vision until it becomes an action today. We are addicted to the fantasy of a sudden transformation that changes our entire life tonight. Yet the matrix of reality only rewards the small and boring bricks of daily work. You are burying your true potential under a mountain of heavy expectations now. When you try to move a boulder, you only end up exhausted and broken on the cold floor. But when you choose to carve a single star, you finally begin to own your power. Stop chasing the pink fog and start building a solid white foundation today. The secret of the elite is the ability to find deep joy in the smallest possible progress. Every tiny seed you plant is a vote for the person you will eventually become tomorrow. Success is not a destination, but a direction you choose to walk in tonight. When you master the art of thinking small, you finally become the master of your own peace. You will feel joy as your vision grows in the silence of your quiet work. Action is the only cure for the fear of a life spent dreaming too big today. The path to greatness is paved with the things that you chose to do while others were resting. You will feel kiet if you only look at the summit instead of your next step. But those who love the walk will eventually own the entire world tomorrow morning. Small habits of focus are the bricks that will build your massive empire of deep wealth. Your life is a long-term investment that requires logic and a clear white vision. Stop wasting your capital on giant dreams that provide no real movement now. True power is the ability to say no to the big noise and yes to your own small truth. It is the strength to own your time and walk your own bright white path today. Freedom is the only currency that truly matters in this hard world now. The invisible chains of the crowd are built with the need for instant and giant fame. They keep you obedient and keep you trapped in a cycle of small thinking and debt. Cut the ties today and start buying your life back one brick tonight. You must choose between the pain of discipline or the long and heavy pain of regret. One path leads to a summit of light while the other leads to a shallow grave. Your destiny is not a matter of luck, but a matter of your small habits. Your potential is a sleeping giant that is currently trapped in a small pink cage. Focus is the only key to that cage and the only way to release your inner beast. Stop feeding the fear in your mind and start feeding the wolf of success. The world does not care about your intentions, it only cares about the results you earn. You can spend a lifetime preparing for a battle that you never show up for. Execution is the language of the winners and the only way to be truly free. Every choice you make today is a vote for the person you will become in 1 year. The mindset of the elite is the bridge between the earth and the golden gods. Stop negotiating with your laziness because it wants you to stay weak. Today is the day you decide to stop being a slave to the chemical rushes of the crowd. Walk through the fire of restraint and let it burn away your old gray life. Growth begins exactly where your comfort zone finally comes to end today. True wealth begins the moment you value your focus more than the joy of the masses. Walk toward the white light of logic and build your own empire today now. The matrix of noise only exists as long as you continue to believe in it.